Welcome to Workday. To access Workday, open the link provided in your email. Follow instructions and your default password. Next, change your password. Type your interim password in the first field. Then, type your new password in the second field and retype it in the last field. After that, click OK. Memorize your new password and never share it with anyone.
Handling data in a secure manner is very important. Please keep in mind that all your activities in Workday are recorded, will be subject to HR audits.
In order to keep your account secure, you are required to reset your password. In this step, click on the button Set Up Now. Your work email is default in the Email Address field. Next, you can click on Send to Email. A verification code is sent to your work email. Now open it and find the code. Then go back to the Workday page and populate the verification code. Click Continue. Workday works well in Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. However, in order to have the best performance, we highly recommend you to use Chrome browser. Now, enter your username and password, then click OK. Now, you are on the home landing page of Workday. You will see there are three main parts on your home page: the search bar on the top left, the small icons on the top right, and the central part of your home page.
Now, let's get started with the search bar on the top left of the page. This search bar allows you to search for your colleagues, teams, and tasks. Let's imagine Julia is your new team member. In order to search for her in Workday, type her name in the search bar and select the relevant result. You're looking at Julia's worker profile in Workday. From here, you can see her business contact, phone number, email, and Susan is her manager. If you want to view her team, click in the team icon. You can see all the members in your team and your manager. The picture with the yellow banner on top showing that this employee has direct reports, and the small number next to the picture showing how many subordinates he or she has. On the right of the page, there are several options for you to view the organization chart of the higher level. It is completely the same with searching other colleagues in different teams. So far, we know how to navigate teams and colleagues in the search bar. Now, let's go back to your profile and take a look into your details. On the top right of the page, you'll see three icons. To see all the notifications, click on this bell icon. To access all the pending tasks in your inbox, click on this mailbox icon. To view all your personal data, click on your profile picture and then click on the tab On Behalf of You. Now you are on your profile page. Firstly, you can see your name, your business title, your business contact, phone number and email in the blue column on your left, and your work location, your manager on your right. If you want to navigate who are in your team, click on the team icon. Next, there are several sections in the blue column containing various data of your work and personal information. Now, we're going to go through them one by one. Let's start with the Job section. When you click on this tab, you can see all the relevant data on your right divided into 4 additional tabs. Firstly, the Job Details tab indicates your ID number.
This is unique employee ID and is used for your login details. You can also see here detailed information of your position, working hours, your hire date, and the length of service. In addition, you can also view your work contact in here. The second tab, Manager History, shows you all your current and previous managers, if any, since you joined the company and the relevant period of time. The following tab, Organizations, illustrates all the additional information of the company and the cost center in your employment contract, your functions, the pay group, the segment, and the name of your team. Lastly, every event or task you have taken so far in the system is recorded in the tab Worker History. From here, you can check all the status of your requests and staffing events, successfully completed or still in progress, and who those are pending with. Now we're moving to the third section, Compensation. In this part, you will see all the components of your compensation. At the beginning, you will see the overview of your compensation through a pie chart. Each component is defined by a specific color. You can easily navigate the contribution in percentage of each part by clicking further on the pie chart. The second tab, Compensation, allows you to navigate the most detailed data of your compensation package, such as your salary plans and your salary grade. Moreover, you also can check the history of all the changes in your compensation in the last tab, Pay Change History. Moving forward, let's look at the fourth section in the blue column, Contact. You can check your home and work contact information when you click on the Contact tab and the Contact for the urgent situations in the Emergency Contact tab. The next section, Personal, contains your personal information. At the first tab in this section, you will see your gender, birth information, nationality status, and marital status. The second tab, Names, allows you to view and edit your legal and preferred name.
For all requests to change name, surname, and personal address, HR will require an employee to provide a relevant document before the request is approved in Workday. The information of your identifications, such as the government IDs, passport, and visa, are stored in the third tab, IDs. Additionally, you can also store all the personal documents such as employment contract, proof of IDs in the tab Documents. During your employment, the company will require you to review and acknowledge several policies. You can find them here as well after submitting those documents. Last but not least, the section Performance in the blue column includes all the information relating to your performance. You can find all the results of your performance reviews when you navigate to the tab Performance Reviews. The following tab, Development Plans, shows your current and previous career development plan. You can extract those plans to the PDF files by clicking on the Create New PDF button in the table. The next tab, Individual Objectives, allows you to view and edit each of your objectives. For the ones you deleted, you still can find them in the Archived Objectives tab. Currently, Workday is providing the option for you to ask feedback from other colleagues and your managers. If you ever asked for it, you can find all the feedback recorded in the final tab, Feedback Received. Going back to the home page,
we highly recommend you to look at Workday Toolkit, since you can find all the instructions for how to navigate and submit your self-service request in here. You can easily find the guide you want in the list and click to open. In addition, you have access to the e-learning platform named Ella, which includes various online training courses for the employee. You can find them all in Workday by clicking on the learning icon. In order to have an overview of how to use Ella, please click on the course Learn with Ella. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoy exploring Workday. Should you have any concerns, please contact your HR team in your local office for further instructions.